Hello, Algebra 2 students. For Mr. Fry, you are looking at this 4-7, the back of this 4-7 practice arithmetic sequences. What we're doing is we're just plugging in the 4th, the 6th, and the 13th term for each one of these. So I just plugged in 4 here, I plugged in 6, I plugged in 13. When you work this out, these are the results, 0, -4, and -18. The highlighted ones are the ones that you were supposed to do. When I plugged in, the 4th, the 6th, and the 13th, I got these. Go ahead and try this one on your own. Just go ahead and plug that 4 in for n, the 6 in, and the 13 in for n there. And then, see what you get, work it out on the calculator. What would be the 4th? What would be the 6th, 13th? I didn't want to do them all for you, but I pretty much did. So is this arithmetic sequence? This is a geometric sequence because it's multiplied by the same thing, but it's not arithmetic. I'm not adding the same thing. This one I am adding the same. I'm adding a 0.6, 0.6, 0.6. So that means, if you go back up here and look at these, what happens is, the number you're starting with goes first in this, what do they call it? A recursive and explicit formula. So, this is what I'm starting with. And then, I have the plus n minus 1. And then what the difference is the last part. So, these all, if you were to look at these were what the differences were in these. So, in each step. So, this would be that recursive and explicit formula for number 24. For 25, write an explicit formula for the arithmetic sequence whose common difference is -18. So I don't have a number that I'm starting with, but I do have it as -18. And then this one, reasoning the initial term of an arithmetic sequence is 5. The 11th term is 125. What is the common difference of the arithmetic sequence? So I start with my 125, what it equals. This is my 11th term. And the initial term I have right here. I'm trying to figure out what the common difference is. So I'm just solving for x. So 5 plus 11 gives me 16 minus 1 is 15, 15 times x. And then I end up dividing 125 divided by 15. I get 8 1/3 or 8.33 should be it. Then if you can explain how you can determine if a sequence is arithmetic, remember this is going to be adding. You're adding the same amount to each number. If you want to put something like that in your own words for number 27, that would be great. Hopefully this helps, and good luck.